Hello everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing real good. Thanks a lot. Today we're going out there. All right, here we go. There's a Hickory Bridge and we're gonna go right out there. There's Dog Beach, and right there is Lover's Key. Hey everybody, hope it's all going real good for you. I'm out here on the water trying to kayak, not doing a very good job. Anyway, it is what it is. We're gonna go over to that little island right here in front of me, right there. Check that out, and then maybe paddle over to Lover's Key area. I saw some manatee. Private beach, no access. Lots of wildlife here, that's for sure. Welcome to the Gulf of Mexico. Out behind me is Bonita Beach, Dog Beach, all that kind of area there. And out in front of me is Lover's Key area. Just gonna paddle around a little bit more and check it out, bring you along. This doesn't even look like an island, just mangrove. Kinda cool. Just this plant growing and growing. There's the Lover's Beach Bridge, and for lack of better words, I'm going to name this Lover's Key Lagoon, and we're headed right over there. Whoa! Little bridge. There's some civilization off in the distance, some condominiums. Don't hear anything out here really. No traffic. Was hoping for some manatees, but doesn't seem like that's gonna happen. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Can't drive.